What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Now, today's video is all about, I'm shooting with the Sony a7RIII. Yes, my last few videos, I have not shot with that thing at all. And honestly, I may not even shoot with it today, but I'm just joking with y'all guys. I'm actually gonna hit it up. I'm gonna use the a7RIII with the 35 Sigma and the AT5 today. And of course, I am gonna pull out the Z7 and shoot with that 105 because we got this nice little space where I'm gonna kind of put it in the middle of the road. I'm gonna be a little dangerous here today, guys. I'm gonna put it in the middle row because it's gonna be some nice depth of field. She got the nice little outfit on. But today's model, before I even get to the outfit, today's model is...
Hi, I'm Darby.
Yes, this is Darby. She's gonna be out here helping us out with this video today. Of course, like I said, she got the nice summer dress out with the J's on. I know you can't see me. You're gonna be able to see them in the...
Actually.
Oh, well, my bad. It looked like...
University blue dunks.
Okay, my bad. They're not the J's, guys. But once again, she's gonna help us out with this video. Like I said, we're gonna put it out in the middle of the street. Like I said, she got a nice summer dress on with the J's. Just gonna try to get some depth of field. Gonna shoot with the Sony a7RIII. So are you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you excited?
Yes.
She seemed kind of excited, guys. We got a couple more looks. So let's just get right into this right now. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Tell me when the cars will come. I'll do the same for you.
Huh?
Tell me when the car's behind me. I'll do the same for you.
Okay.
We gotta watch out. 1, 2, 3. Like it. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is nice. 1, 2, 3. Just kind of cross your... Yeah, kind of put a little bit bend in it. Yeah, there you go, perfect. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Who is good at this, you or me?
I think it's equal.
Oh, see, now you want to take away my shine. Now you want to take away my shine. All right, we're gonna put you in the reverse rolls. I think this car's coming down. Good job. Is that truck coming?
No.
Good job.
Everybody keeps turning.
Are we making everybody go somewhere else? Like that. Yep. Good job, Darby. I like that. I like that. Actually, hold that pose and give me a couple more. Actually, give me that because I'm gonna get full body. You never gave me that pose like that. Full body. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold that again. I'm gonna get lower. 1, 2, 3. These are more wider shots, more natural. All right. I like the sway in motion. Yeah, I like that sway right there. It's actually getting some really good shots.
You take Instagram pictures, your phone, and then you just like take it from a live video.
Let's look at these. Take one step forward, like, yeah, just like that. Take one step right there, yeah. Damn it, car. I don't think he's gonna hit us. What do you think? I can't with you, man.
I'm just gonna do it every time.
Really cool. Let's see here. I may have to expose for the sky here. Nice job, Darby. Car coming. Let's go. One, 2, 3. I like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Coming up for a little. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Take a chill, take a chill, take a chill. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, look, hold that look right there, yeah. Bring your head chin back down, thank you, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Like that, hold that, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Coming in. Take your hands off of it now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Take a step over. Right there, yep. I like that. Hold it again. Hold that, yep. Hang on, look at that, took your ass that way just like you was. Yeah, just like you was. Yep. Now bring your ass to me, yeah. Three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold that pose again. Hold that pose you just did. Yeah, I know you a whole lot of. I know you're like flow. Yeah, like that. I know your flow, which is really great. All right, let's switch cameras. Switching cameras here. I like that actually.
What?
I like that actually.
Oh, really?
It's actually kind of have you on the stepping on the switch side.
I was trying to not fall.
Yeah, go that side. Yeah, go that side.
Which side?
Right, like you was right beside it. Hold on to it. Hold on to it.
Like over
Just
here?
like you was just doing naturally. Yeah. Yeah. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. Hold that. We are shooting hot fire, man.
Thank you.
What the fuck is going on here?
I miss green.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Nice. Good job. Like that. I like that with your hair like that. Perfect. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed that work that me and Darby just put in for you. Now, Darby, how did you enjoy the shoot and working with me today?
I enjoyed it a lot. You're really fun. You're very chill. I
thank you.
like people who are like, okay, next.
She don't like them stoic.
You're good.
I appreciate that.
10 out of 10 recommend.
Guys, do not be slobs on a knob or corner. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. Look, she even looking at me. Don't be a log is what I'm basically trying to say when you're working with Darby. Just don't be a log out there. Give out dialogue, give out feedback. That's just the best way just when you're accurate being working with models anyway. But of course, I really hope y'all enjoyed those photos. Y'all made it this far. Please go ahead and follow her, hit her up if you want to work with her. All the stuff's going to be down in the description below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. And until the next video.
Huh?
To the next video?
Yeah.
To the next video?
Yeah.
To the next video. Peace. It's time for agency and...
Yeah, but I didn't say I didn't want to work with you. If I didn't want to work with you, I'd be in bed with my popcorn and my McDonald's.
Damn, that's fucked up.
I'm waiting for the really good. Hey, what's up, guys?
What was that?
You.
That was not me. Do that again. Do the invitation.
What?
Do that invitation again.
No, I already did it once.
Go ahead, do that invitation one more time.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Oh, God. Oh, man. All right. Now you made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that video.